Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send high quality photos on Messenger. So actually for this, we don't really need to use Messenger app right now. You can just close the Messenger app if you have that open right now and go to your phone settings, and then you just have to tap on this app management and then go for this app list, and now you have to find or search here Messenger. Here it is, just tap on it. So you just have to tap on this mobile data and Wi-Fi, and you just have to toggle this off background data. And the reason why you want to actually disable this background data is because sometimes when you do send photos with like the mobile data instead of Wi-Fi, it does compromise the quality. So like if your this background data at that point is low, for example, or it doesn't have that good signal, that can actually compromise the photo that you are sending to other person on Messenger. So I would recommend you to turn this off and just use Wi-Fi. For example, have like decent or like strong Wi-Fi at home. For sure use Wi-Fi instead of to send this photo, and make sure that of course the photo that you are going to send is already HD or high quality, because if it's not, of course the photo that you are sending to that person will not be in high quality even if you do this. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.